Vocabulary building is essential for language proficiency. Do you know the techniques for effective memorization and retention? They can significantly enhance your ability to recall words and phrases when needed. Let's explore some best practices for memorization and remembering vocabulary effectively. Imagine your vocabulary as a treasure hunt. Each word is a hidden gem ready to be discovered. Here's our map. Read everything. Books, articles, even cereal boxes. You will find French everywhere. You just have to recognize it. You have to create associations. How do you do that? Picture words having coffee with your favorite fictional character. Just an example, putting it out there. Turn phrases into unforgettable melodies. For instance, Je vois mes chaussures devant la porte. Or, Où sont les toilettes? Just like animals, words also thrive in their natural habitat. Real sentences. So let's set them free. Let's explore how we can do that. Imagine choquant when you receive a huge electricity bill. I'm sure we've all been there. To truly express it, you can say, Ouh là là, c'est choquant. From Victor Hugo to fashion magazine, absorb it all. Of course, it's always more fruitful to choose a topic of interest and then dive deep. If you want more details on this topic, watch my other video where I've explained how to make French learning fun. Netflix binges count as education. Trust me. Enki or Quizlet are your allies. They will drill words in your brain like a persistent woodpecker. Yes, flashcards. Not just for school kids. You can shuffle them like a pro poker player. Learn a little every day. It's like compound interest for your brain. Buzz in with the right word. Quiz yourself. Pen down your gems or casually drop them in conversations. Like, bonjour mon ami. Hello, my friend. And don't be shy. A true friend will start learning with you instead of teasing you. Set goals. Conquer 5 new words every day. Channel your inner César. Confused? It means access your inner strength, confidence, and leadership abilities. Qualities that Julius Caesar was known for. Review regularly. Without regular revision, your language plant will wilt. And you know what happens to a plant when you don't water it for too long? It dies. Work on routine expressions used in regular conversations. Be sure to learn l'argot français, jargons or slang in French. For example, resto instead of restaurant. Or words like le boulot or le taf. These two words are synonyms for le travail, work. Let me give you an example how to use these words in sentences. For example, j'ai beaucoup de boulot. I have a lot of work. Or, c'est pas ton boulot. It's none of your business. Or it's not your work. Or, je dois faire du taf. Remember, vocabulary isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. Be patient, and when frustration knocks, tell them,
Go away, I'm not home.
Yes you are. I heard you.
No, you didn't.
May your vocabulary bloom like a wildflower. Bon apprentissage.